Zero AD is a real-time strategy video game under development by Wildfire Games. It is a historical war and economy game focusing on the years between 500 BCE and 1 BCE, with the years between 1 CE and 500 CE planned to be developed in the future. The game is cross-platform, playable on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, FreeBSD, and OpenBSD. It is composed entirely of free software and free media. Using the GNU GPL v2 or later license for the game engine source code and the CC by SA license for the game art and music. Section 1. Gameplay. Zero AD features the real-time strategy gameplay components of building a base, economic development, training an army, combat, and technology research. The game includes multiple units and buildings specific to each civilization, as well as both land and naval units. During the game, the player advances from village phase to town phase to city phase. The phases represent the sizes of settlements in history, and every phase unlocks new units, buildings, and technologies. Multiplayer functionality is implemented using peer-to-peer networking without a central server. Zero AD originally began in 2001 as a comprehensive total conversion mod concept for Age of Empires II: The Age of Kings. The development team decided that making a mod was too limiting to their creative freedom, and they decided to move their art and ideas to an in-house engine. On the 10th of July 2009, Wildfire Games released the source code for Zero AD under the GNU GPL 2 or later license, and made the artwork available under the CC by SA license. There were about 10 to 15 people working on Zero AD around the 23rd of March 2010, but since development started, over 100 people have contributed to the project. On the 5th of September 2013, an Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign was started with a US $160,000 goal. They raised a total of US $33,251 to be used to hire a programmer. The majority of the project's finances are managed by the Software in the Public Interest organization. There is no official release date set for the finished version. The video game music label Materia Collective released a 26-track soundtrack on the 8th of June 2018. In 2012, Zero AD received second place in the IndieDB Player's Choice Upcoming Indie Game of the Year competition. Zero AD has been generally well received. It was voted as linuxquestions.org Open Source Game of the Year for 2013. Between 2010 and October 2020, the game was downloaded from sourceforge.net over 1.3 million times.